Hey, what's up, guys? This is Shadow. We're out at GSG, which is Get Some Games out in Charlotte. We're going to do a pack opening today. There's that stupid little promo. Although I will admit she doesn't look that bad. Bought some extra boosters. Thinking about WoW. So let's open them and see what I get. Right off the bat, Corey.
That was fast.
Second. Oops. The rare's there. Put that there. Get her up. Block Kruger.
Yeah.
Right there. Right there. Stupid rare. Apparently, this was an immortal box.
Yeah.
It's already got the immortal in the insert.
Yeah, they put that in the movie.
I know, but apparently this was an immortal box.
I'm
Love that.
not. I married this year. We're actually gonna have. We're gonna have baby namings.
First double rare has been revealed. Morganrot. Stern. How many double rares are in the extra boosters? Is it 3?
How was that 21, 26?
Another Block Kruger.
Oh, okay. Yeah, you did, yeah.
Jupiter Block.
Only running 3 with extra, and I see them all the time.
Armored Heavy. Myrtle Jack. There it is. Perfect card. Well, at least I got the perfect card. Yep. Daredevil Samurai. Corey, didn't you still need Daredevils? Don't you still need Daredevils?
That's great too, right?
Yeah.
2.
Paul Stern.
Carly, you wanna finish our game from a couple weeks ago?
In a minute, we're doing a video.
Alright guys, so that is it for this box. We'll move on to the second one. I'll let our teammate Violet open it. You got the Immortal, which I gave my teammate, Sierra, Stern, and Wow. Corey? So Violet's going to open the next box.
Walk past the set of tables down there, and you go around the corner, you'll see the restaurant.
Alright, first rare is going to be a Block Kruger.
Testing something Testing something.
Armored Heavy Gunner.
He's testing not playing Chaos right now.
There a possibility I might work back off.
I don't think it's a bad idea, to be honest. Because you can run it late game,
Jupiter block
and then
quicker.
apply the pressure.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like the idea of taking like, taking
I got the crappy box, didn't I?
Take the chaos figures out, but then.
I'm curious what the foils are, honestly.
Here's a triple. Sure, guys.
I thought I'd take just so I can play my one. and-
Debut, Corey.
Sweet.
Did you buy these boxes for Corey?
Apparently.
Right into those
Another
boxes,
Jupiter.
He's gonna have one ball and then that's it. And a perfect guard.
I need 3 of those.
I need 4 or
I
no
know.
3.
Honey,
Starter?
YouTube videos are
Roll
all
again.
Brutal Jack?
Jeez, where are all the foils at?
Oh, Jack got the crappy box. There you go. Double.
Another Stern.
Do you need him?
Bottom of the deck.
Yeah, I need 3 altogether.
Okay, there's 2. Stand up. Vanguard.
This one has something in it. Silver Storm?
Here, Corey.
Damage check crit. Back 5.
Nah, he only needed 2.
You ready to pull 2?
Yep.
my Vanguard.
Right. First.
Mars.
It's pretty.
I should go around today. My ratio is so weird.
That last pack has to be a freaking good.
Last pack?
Yeah.
That is so pretty.
What? Yeah, flower red. Oh my god. Alright, let's keep it going. Next box.
15,000 Vanguard.
I'm telling you guys right now, if I pull a 3rd Immortal,
Power.
it's getting ripped up right here. In fact, I mean on camera. Open a pack. First card.
9, shadows.
Polar Stern.
And actually using a different I said if I knew I liked.
The Galaxy.
Yep. Galaxy. I'm actually cool with that. That was actually one of the cards I needed. Freaking fucking extremely hard to pull. He's like a 20 card right now. Brittle Jack. Oh, at least I got a Galaxy.
That's good. Not really.
He's at 9 now because I gave him the trigger and then he restood.
Once again.
Because the skill makes him restand with 5,000 less power. So first time he's up my teams and he restood with a 9 guy. But we get the auto lock skill at 16.
Another perfect guard. And once again.
Are they just not loading them right or something?
Hey, at least out of 3 boxes, I got 2 PGs.
And I have 2 Immortals.
T.
Maybe somebody was new that day.
And again.
Another one upside down?
I think that entire box is just upside down.
That's cool. Just did.
All right, so one more foil.
Of these, have you used the non-textured graphics?
And there it is. Flower Ray. Flower Ray, whatever. Morgan Rock. God, another upside down card. Another upside down card. Another upside down card.
Was that noise?
Yes. Another. God, every pack almost, the first couple cards have been upside down.
It was their first day on the job.
You had one job. Alright guys, that is a triple box of Galaxy opening. Make sure to check, rate, like, subscribe. Not bad pulls, not good pulls. At least I got some of the cards I needed, so it adds up to what I spent. So this is Shadow from Team Sentinel. I'll catch y'all later.